What are we doing, Xander?
Well, we put the top part of the control in.
Right.
Control arm up here.
Right.
And then we kind of got it tight, the bolt, so we could jack up the yoke here.
Correct.
And then we hammered in the back, like the lower part of the upper control arm.
Right.
And we put the bolt and the washers and the locking washer on.
Right.
And we got that as tight as possible. And then up on the upper control arm here, up in the top, we tightened it all the way.
Right.
And now we just gotta put the wheel on and
Okay.
then take the jack out, and then we're good.
Good. Nice job. Nice job. And you've already double checked everything, so we know we're good. So yeah, this one's just going to be a short little update video, but yeah, it's taking a little bit of time. I mean, between me and Xander, we got it done. More Xander than me, because I'm having another flare-up again. But oh well, life goes on. But okay, I'll leave you to it, Xander, and let you get that all taken care of, and we'll catch everybody on the flip side. So what do we say, Xander?
Later.